Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Let's start. First, open Play Store. Search Prequel and download it. Open Prequel. Here, you will find different AI effects. If you want effectively on face, choose first. If you want effect on full photo, choose second. I'll choose first. Tap on Use Preset. Then choose your photo. Tap on Import. Then save photo. Now repeat this process for 5 more photos. After completing this, open any editing application. I use CapCut. Tap on New Project. Add your 1 video and 6 photos. Select Format 9:16. Now add audio. Audio link is given in the description. Now set video and photos to this time duration. Delete the end part. Now check video. Now, set resolution and export. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for all latest updates.